What's up, everybody? Kev here, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about Roku, Roku sticks, the Roku TV, all around Roku streaming devices in general, including the TVs. I'm just going to be showing you on the TCL Roku TV. First things first, the thing I want to show you a lot of people don't know when they have a Roku is the featured free section, and the featured free section is exactly how it sounds. It's going to be tons of content that is free with ads put into a place for you to watch it. So whether it be HGTV, a couple from Food Network, Travel Channel. Remember, all these networks have their own individual apps that can be installed on smart devices, and usually they let you play episodes with advertisements in between them, like a little commercial or something like that. And you're able to watch the stuff for free. And as you can see, there's actually a ton of stuff available and a lot of new stuff. It's not like old played out content. There's actually a decent amount of new stuff. They even have live TV, summer specials, dramas. I see they have Family Guy, League of Legends. They have some movies in there, all kinds of different things. So it's not just TV and live TV, but also movies and stuff like that too. They go ahead and they put it in a neat categorized area for you, kind of like Netflix. And like I said, if you wanted to watch something, say you just wanted to watch Guy Fieri, the legend himself, you would go ahead and go install the Food Network. See how it says you can watch this free with ads on the Food Network install. So I install it and bam, I can go ahead and select the episode I want to watch, kind of like a DVR, and I'm able to watch newer episodes, the latest episodes, older episodes, all that and more. And this is a thing that a lot of people don't know about. And simply just by installing these applications like Food Network, Travel Channel, Discovery Channel, stuff like that, they're going to allow you to watch their content with a little bit of advertisement. That's really it. So if I went down and I said, okay, I'm a huge fan of Ghost Adventures and travel and adventure shows like Expedition Unknown, Ghost Adventures, all that. Once again, watch for free on the Travel Channel. It's going to go ahead and say, do you want to install? Yeah, I'm installing the Travel Channel now, and I'm able to go ahead and launch that open. It's going to give me a code to go activate it. And then once I activate the code, I'm able to watch some of my favorite shows from the Travel Channel for free with advertisements. Like I said, they have new shows with the newest episodes as well, so you're not missing out on anything, and it's not old, outdated content, but they do have old content if you want to go watch. And like I said as well, not just TV, but also live TV and movies. So definitely check out that featured free section. You're not going to want to miss out on that. That's an awesome way to break free from cable bills and stuff like that. I've recently broken free from my cable bill and have converted over to Sling and Roku. I know I've done tech videos now for a couple years and I've been covering the Fire Stick for years, but I still never fully broke away from cable for the simple fact there are some things I was missing, and live TV and IPTV and stuff like that from sketchy services aren't that reliable until I found Sling TV, a reliable, trusted legal source, and it was able to work. Another thing people don't know that they can do is they can power on their device to wherever they want it to launch. So you don't want it to launch on the home screen. You can go ahead and say power on and launch me right into my TV, right into where I last left off, my video game, stuff like that. They have fast TV start. That's going to enable you to quickly start your TV from standby and wake the TV with commands using a voice remote or the Roku mobile app, and it will override and use more power than the default settings. And it's kind of like when you put a laptop in sleep mode, it's just going to go ahead and be in a sleep mode so you can go ahead and launch it right away. And as you can see, I have custom images and custom text for everything like PS4, PS2, Xbox One, my TV box, my Nintendo Switch, my Wii, my live TV. That is also another feature that can be done in the settings. You can go ahead and select a custom image and rename what you want that to be and put your HDMI input, whatever it may be, in that slot so it is labeled correctly and you're able to have it all neat and organized and know where you last left off. And then of course auto power savings, standby LED, that's just the LED light in the front. And if you want it, if it's on standby, you can have it on. I can turn it off if I want. It's just a little LED light. And then of course your system restart, if anything's going wrong and you just want to start from scratch, you can do a system restart. Another thing that I want to show you guys is just the overall gist of everything that can be done. Of course, you have the Roku mobile app. You can use your phone, you can use your remote control, whatever you need to do. So if you want to go back, you want to search, you want to look up things by actor, director, movie, that can all be done. You can set things to a cable box, rename the input, remove the input, add a new input. Of course, change brightness, picture mode, picture size, audio effects, so much more. Plenty of streaming channels and free channels in the Roku channel store. Go ahead and check it out. You have CBS News, Live 24/7. You have so much more. Of course, you got Netflix, Hulu, and the Roku channel free content that I just showed you, and that's going to give you all the free content. We got YouTube. Unfortunately, we do not have Twitch. If you want Twitch, you have to buy an application called Twitched. I don't even know really too much about it, but it's an application that can be used to watch Twitch videos on your Roku TV. Not sure why we're not able to watch Twitch or anything like that, but it's packed with tons of cool features. So, and another one I love is you can plug your headphones into your phone, launch the Roku mobile app, and that way your TV sound and audio is actually going to come through your headphones. So if you're with your partner, significant other, or you're just trying to be quiet, you can put on your headphones, have the TV on, and the sound just going to you by enabling that setting. And of course, you have 4K things. Maybe you like 4K video. You can throw some 4K videos in the background. Whatever you want. It has endless options. You can change the settings, go to YouTube, go to all these different applications, stream free content. And finally, the last thing I want to tell you that a lot of people don't know about, but is actually pretty simple, is the simplicity of changing the theme and how many themes they actually have and for free. So all you have to do is go to themes, look for a theme that suits you, one that you like, go ahead and add it to your channel. It will be added to your My Themes section in the theme section, and then you can go ahead and set as theme. And if you like it, keep changing it, whatever. There's tons of free themes for you to try out. So yeah, I hope these Roku tips and tricks helped you out and can get you up and jumping and started with your Roku device or Roku Smart TV. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video did help. Hit that like button and subscribe if it did. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or tips yourself. And be sure to tune in weekly because I drop several videos a week around tech, whether it's gaming, streaming, movies, TV, all that and more. I got you covered. This is Kev, and I'm out.